Eyebrow Pencil Makeup Kit. LAVONE Eyebrow Kit with 2-in-1 Microblading Brow Pencil, Eyebrow Pomade, Eyeliner, and dual-ended brow brush. It instantly outlines, defines, and fills in your brows no matter how much or little eyebrow hair you have. 1 minute to create flawless, smooth, symmetrical, fuller, and natural-looking brow. It's long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof. Your brows will stay in place all day long. 2-in-1 Waterproof Eyebrow Pen. LAVONE, innovative. 2-in-1 dual-ended eyebrow pencil with 4-tip microblading eyebrow pencil. Fill and blend color into eyebrows, draw 3D natural real hair, and ultra-precise. Pen makes realistic hair-like strokes and fill in sparse areas. It glides on easily and smooth to build natural-looking, flawless, symmetrical, and fuller brows with up to 24 HR wear for brows. It's long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof multiple magic brow pencil. LAVONE Microblade Eyebrow Pen, not only for drawing and filling color into brows, but also for filling in the hairlines, drawing down eyelashes and eyeliner. Waterproof liquid ultra-precise pen is flexible, smooth, and easy to use. Every stroke is unbelievably fluid for a defined finish. Control the thickness of your lines by pressing down just a touch. Fine and natural, broad and bold, the look is always up to you. Waterproof Eyebrow Pomade. LAVONE Eyebrow Pomade with highly pigmented formula keeps your brows firmly in place all day without smudging. It's long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof, making them great for swimming, warmer weather, or active days.